Last year I went through a tornado. Have you ever been through a tornado? They sound like freight trains, don't they? Well, I'm from Texas, and I had never been through a tornado before, and I was on my houseboat. I have a houseboat, which is really just a trailer on floats. At about 2:30 in the morning, I woke up and heard a freight train coming down our lake. And I thought, there ain't no freight train on this lake. And it got closer and closer and closer and closer, and all of a sudden it hit, and it hit with a vengeance, and I didn't know what was going on, and all the lights were blown out on the dock, and the boat was bucking and rocking, and I was thrown to the floor, and on the way to the floor, I grabbed the curtains and looked outside, and lightning was flashing, and rain was flying sideways, and I thought, isn't that pretty? My ADD kicked in for just a second there. And then I realized, I'm gonna die. And I felt my way to the front of the boat, and it was still bucking and rocking, and I looked over at Pier 2. I'm on Pier 1, and I looked over at Pier 2, and the lightning flashed again, and I saw broken legs of the pier stretching into the sky, and I saw the bottoms of boats that had been flipped upside down, and I thought, oh, that can't be happening. You know, lightning flashes, and then it's gone, and you think, did I really see that? And it flashed again, and I thought, oh, I did see it. And I got on the radio, and I picked it up, and I said, are you guys there? Are you guys there? And this is Mark over on Pier 1. Are you okay on Pier 2? And after a few minutes, a few of them grabbed their radios. They said, yes, we're okay. We're upside down, but we're okay. And they'd all been through it before. Come to find out, this dock I'm on is called Tornado Alley. Of course, they didn't tell me that when I rented my space. And they'd all been through it before, and it scared the fool out of me. And I went up there the next morning to the coffee shop, and everybody drinks coffee and tells their fish tales. And I got some good fish tales. Of course, I've never fished in my life, but it don't stop you from having a good fish tale. And that morning, we had new tales to tell. And I said, you know what, y'all? I would have enjoyed that a lot more had I known I was going to live through it. Because it was fun. You know, I bet you when we get to heaven, well, I don't bet. Well, I could bet. I'm Baptist. We can bet. You Pentecostals, you bet you go straight to hell. But I bet and go right there, brother. No, I bet you that when we get to heaven, you look me up and see if it ain't true. We're going to look back over our lives, and we're going to say, you know what? I'd have enjoyed that a lot more had I known I was going to live through it. And you know what? You are.